Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Ümit Aygün, an orthopedic and traumatology surgeon. For many years in my daily practice, I have worked in many different areas of orthopedics, from shoulder pain and knee problems to neck and back conditions, hand and wrist disorders, foot and ankle issues, and sports injuries. The main reason I started this channel is actually very simple. I want to help people understand their own bodies better. Because I see that many people search for information online, but they often either find explanations that are too complicated or end up even more confused because of misinformation. Here, I want to explain orthopedics in a way that everyone can understand. On this channel, we won't focus on just one body part. We'll talk about all joints and many different topics related to the musculoskeletal system. The shoulder, the elbow, the hand and wrist, the hip, the knee, the foot and ankle. In short, we'll talk about the entire system that allows us to move. Sometimes we'll discuss very common conditions. For example, meniscus tears, heel spurs, carpal tunnel syndrome, trigger finger, bunions, frozen shoulder, tennis elbow, knee arthritis, and neck or lower back pain, related problems, and sometimes we'll talk about the common mistakes people make in daily life. Questions like, is this pain normal? When should I see a doctor? Is surgery really necessary? Is exercise helpful or harmful? Is every tear seen on MRI dangerous? Can arthritis completely go away? What should you pay attention to while doing sports? We'll discuss all of these topics in a simple and understandable way. I also won't only talk about diseases. I'll share preventive information as well, because sometimes what matters most is not just treating a problem, but preventing it before it starts. Proper sitting posture, proper movement, daily habits, mistakes made during sports, recovery processes, and things patients should pay attention to after surgery. All of that will be part of this channel. We'll also dedicate special attention not only to adult orthopedics, but also to pediatric orthopedics, because children are not simply small adults. Children's fractures, growth plate injuries, in-toeing, walking abnormalities, sports injuries, spinal deformities, and many concerns that parents commonly worry about are actually evaluated differently in children. Sometimes families become very anxious, but the condition may turn out to be much simpler than they expected, and sometimes a problem that people say will go away as the child grows may actually require proper follow-up. That's why we'll also discuss pediatric orthopedic conditions in a clear and understandable way. I'll continue sharing short and quick information in short videos, but in longer videos we'll go into topics in much more detail in a calmer and easier to understand way. So this channel won't just be about a few seconds of information. It will be about truly understanding the logic behind these problems. One thing I especially want to mention is this: information on the internet can never replace a real medical examination. Every person's body is different and every pain can have a different cause. So the information I share here is meant for general educational purposes. But at the very least, I hope people will better understand what is important, what may be urgent, and when they should seek professional medical help. I want this channel to be a place that doesn't increase fear, but increases awareness, because sometimes people get very scared after seeing an MRI report. Sometimes they overestimate a minor pain, and sometimes they do the exact opposite and ignore an important problem for too long. Here we'll talk about these things together, and I'll try to explain them as clearly as possible. At the same time, your questions will also be an important part of this channel. You can write in the comments about topics you are curious about, which body areas you'd like me to discuss, what kind of pain or problems you are experiencing, or which topics confuse you the most. and I'll do my best to address them. I especially plan to focus on orthopedics topics that are highly searched online but often poorly explained. Over time, I hope this channel becomes a valuable source of information for patients, for athletes, for people recovering from surgery, and for anyone dealing with pain in daily life. Of course, there is also a behind-the-scenes side to this channel, so from time to time you may see me struggling with the lights, adjusting the camera, dealing with microphone problems, wearing my glasses half the time, or trying to say the same sentence correctly for the 14th time. So here, you won't only learn about orthopedics, you'll also occasionally see what happens while a doctor is trying to walk. There will be probably some small accidents, funny moments, and failed recording attempts along the way. Just letting you know in advance, if you'd like to better understand your body, learn reliable information about pain and orthopedic conditions, and follow trustworthy orthopedic content, you're welcome to subscribe to the channel. We'll be covering many different topics in the coming weeks, and I truly hope this channel becomes a helpful place for you. Thank you for watching.